Hey everybody, Cody from Lazy Goblins. We're about to go thrift shopping again. Found something on Letgo, X-Men DVD set, so that'll be really cool. Gonna go pick it up, only 10 bucks. So we're driving down the street and it just got done like pouring rain, and so the street's just flooded with water. And right now we can't turn on our air conditioner, so we have the windows down because it's a nice day and it's not totally hot outside anymore. And as we were going through a puddle, this Jeep just comes on the other side and just splash mountains us. So now we're pretty wet. But yeah, that was fun.
Cool off.
So we just got back from going and picking up this set of the comic book collection DVD from Marvel, 4 set, only 10 bucks, got it on Letgo. And then we hit some thrift shops on the way back, got some coffee, and now we're back home. And now it's time to list these on the eBay, see if we could get anything. And we also got our marriage license. Woo!
Now I can go and take this to go get my birth certificate changed and my ID changed so I can be Miss Carol.
Woo! Hey everybody, we're about to go yard sailing. Woo! It's about 7 in the morning. Got our coffees ready. And yeah, we're gonna hit up some yard sales, see what cool things we can find. See what happens. What are you guys up to today? Let me know. Let me know what you guys are doing. Should I film like this? Should I film like this? Like this? Like this? Like this? I don't know. Anyways, just let me know what you guys are doing today. We're going yard selling. Hopefully we can get some cool stuff. But yeah. We just found a huge sale. Look at that. It goes on for days. That is crazy. Hey, buddy. We just got done yard selling, garage selling, and all that stuff. The beautiful wife. We got some really cool stuff for really cheap. I got a bunch of stuff that were under $5 and could sell for $15 and up. So that's really cool. We're gonna try to do that. And she got some awesome stuff as well.
Clothes. I got
some Beanie Babies.
Yep, Beanie Babies.
Oh, she got a free crystal necklace. We met some cool people.
This one looks like my little corgi kinda. I got Olaf, who doesn't love Olaf. And I'm part of the Dino Club, so dinosaur!
But it's been really fun. We're just getting some food now, about to head home. It's getting really hot, so we're gonna call it a day.
And you missed one of my favorites.
What?
I got Jack Skeleton and Sally pins. Oh, and Coraline.
Yeah.
Who doesn't love Coraline?
So that was really cool. That last one, check out the Instagram, Lazy Goblins. It was a huge yard sale. But yeah, that's
like
about it.
Like a swap meet, or the Nios.
Yeah, it was crazy. Crazy big. They do it 3 times a year, so we're gonna have to go back in November when they do the next one.
It was hopping.
But we will see you guys next time. I'll probably go over everything that I got. And yeah. Bye.
Story time.
Story time. Thank you. Hey everybody. So we finished eating and resting and everything, and we're gonna show what we got. What? I hate that I can't like flip it.
Want to start over?
Alright, so we got this printer. $2. They said it works. We haven't tested it yet. We're gonna go get some ink and everything. Been needing a printer. Got these 2 books. I think they were 50 cents each or 25 cents each. Frank Frazetta book 2 and book 4. Looked them up. They're about ranging from $10 to $50. So that's pretty cool. This Good Housekeeping, I thought that would be a good one. All the puzzle pieces are there in the bags perfectly fine. It's a March 1920 puzzle. The thing is, it doesn't go for much. But that's cool. Maybe we could give it as a Christmas gift to somebody. This one is really cool. It's a projectoscope. It was only $3. Was worried that it might not work. Plugged it in. It works perfectly fine. The lens is perfect, so that usually goes for around 15 to 30, just depending. This book, I thought it would be a good one. Probably a good book, but not good to sell, which is fine because it was only about 25 cents as well.
And the wife will probably read it.
Yep.
Because she loves anatomy.
Hang 10 Surf Wax, got it for $2. Sells between $15 to $30 online.
And it's awesome.
This Olaf, not sure if it works yet. We gotta try the batteries, but if it does work, about $10. Got it for $1. These are a bummer. I thought they were worth a bit more when I looked online, but they aren't. Got them for $5 though, so hey, we'll figure something out with them. These right here, we got the Pride and Prejudice miniseries starring Colin Firth and Jennifer Healey. I don't know how to say that. But it is sealed, and it goes anywhere from 15 to, I saw one for 76. That's probably on a rare occasion. The Thin Man Complete Collection DVD set. This ranges from 30 to 70 as well, which I got this one for 50 cents. These two were 50 cents. This one was $3, so I think that's a pretty damn good deal. The Notebook only for goes for $5, so probably just end up keeping that one. That was only 50 cents. So yeah, that's what I got. So this was what I got was about just $20 worth of stuff, maybe a little bit over, and probably looking about $100 profit. So that's pretty awesome.
Oh, and you forgot your vacuum for the car.
Oh yeah, we got a vacuum for the car, so that's good. And then here, I'm gonna hand it over. The wifey,
hello.
She's gonna show what she got.
I got some good stuff. Okay, so I got some buttons. I got Coraline, Sally, Jack Skellington, Hello Kitty, Starbucks, because this girl loves her Starbucks. I love Spider-Man, and of course Michael Jackson. I got I don't even know how to, Teo book. How? It's supposed to be very zenful, so hopefully it is, because this girl loves her zen. I got this book on learning about the goddesses and gods of Europe. I got 3 pairs of jeans, jeans, skinny jeans. 2 pairs of ripped jeans. Oh, my dog seems to think that Mommy set everything up for him. I got this cute little corgi-like Beanie Baby in honor of my corgi, little Ewok. I got me a mini Olaf, because who doesn't love Olaf? Look at that. He's so cute. And this girl also likes Steven and Parker on TikTok, so Dino Club! And everyone says I'm a little pterodactyl when I hiccup and when I laugh. Apparently I sound like one. Got a key so that way I can do a Harry Potter DIY for my Harry Potter inspired wall. Oh yeah. Love it. Got a macrame cute little purse for like $1. Oh yeah, my jeans were $1. Beanie Babies. Those two for $5. He was only $1. Got bunches of nail polishes. Look how pretty. Oh yeah. Got me some Zen hippie music. Excited to listen to that. And a really nice lady gave me this beautiful necklace for free. Love it. She said it's a healing peacock crystal, and it turned out that the chain is sterling silver. Super exciting. And then hubby let me get this beach bum sign. It's probably going to go into our beach themed bathroom. Yeah.
That's everything we got today at the yard sale Saturday. I'm going to list my stuff to go on sale Sunday on eBay, and I'll make a video next week to see how it goes. And we'll probably do another one, another yard sale next week as well, because it was lots of fun.
It was a lot of fun.
And we were gone for like 4 hours, and if it does pay off, that's 4 hours of fun for $100. I think that's a good deal.
And I got a lot of good stuff. And you can't go wrong with skinny jeans. And buttons.
Alright guys, until next time, keep creating. Bye!
Bye!
Alright, so I just sold my first item on eBay. This sold for 25 bucks. After everything, it'll be about $15.25 profit. I got all of them for $10. All of them for $10. This one itself sold for 25 bucks. $15 profit. Already paid off. This is pretty awesome.